Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuir. In this class, we will discuss about Mealy Machine. In our previous class, we discussed about Mealy Machine. Please watch that class and come back here for better understanding of this class. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to Mealy Machine, let's take an example and understand what Mealy Machine is. In our last class, when we discussed about Mealy Machine, we are having our machines is going to display some output. The same way Mealy Machine also is going to display some output, but there is a small difference. Is a finite state machine with output value on each transition. In our last class in the Mealy Machine, the output is displayed only on the state, here on the transition. Let's try to understand with an example. This is our example. Here we are having two states A and B. On A, if you see the input symbol A, we are going to display the output symbol 1. So here output will be defined on the transition, not on the state. That is what Mealy Machine is. If you see the input symbol B, we are moving to state B and we are displaying the output 0. On B, if you see the input symbol B, we are going to display 0 and we are moving to state B. On B, if you see the input symbol A, we are moving to state A and displaying 1. This is what Mealy Machine is. Let's take one example. Input A, B, 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 A. If you take the input symbol, we start from A. If you take the first input symbol on, we are moving again to state A, and what we have to display, the output should be 1. The same way on state A, if you take the next input symbol B, we are moving to state B and displaying output symbol 0. The same way the next we are at B. If you take the input symbol B, we are displaying 0. If you take the again input symbol B, we are displaying 0. And if you take the next input symbol A, we are moving to state A and displaying 1. This is how Mealy Machine works. Let's try to take the transition table also. This is our states A, B. To which state we are moving, this is the transition table. Input A, what state we are moving and what's the output you are going to display. Input B, what's the state we are moving and what's the output symbols we are going to display. This is how we write the transition table. A, if you take the input symbol A, we are moving to state A and displaying 1. If you take input symbol B, we are moving to state B and displaying 0. The same way for B also, we are moving to A and 1, B and 0. This is how we write the transition table. And let's try to understand one Mealy Machine with an example so that you will understand how to use this Mealy Machine. Write a Mealy Machine to convert given binary number to 2's complement number. Given a binary number, we have to convert that into 2's complement number using the Mealy Machine. How to convert that? Let's try to understand the logic first, how to convert the 2's complement number, given binary number into 2's complement number. 10100, this is our binary number. We take the input from left hand side to the right hand side. So whenever you find first, you move from left to right, 001. Whenever you find the first one up to that, whatever it is there, you please keep the same thing. 0, we keep the same thing. 0, we keep the same thing here. 0, 1, we keep the same thing. Whenever you see the first one, after that, after seeing the first one, if you see 0, complement it, you have to take 1. If you see 1, you have to take 0. See here, if you see 0, we displayed as 1. If you take 1, you displayed as 0. This is the 2's complement notation of this binary number. Implement this logic using Mealy Machine. How to implement that? Q0. We are starting from Q0. This is the initial state. On Q0, if you apply 0, whenever you find 0, means the first inputs are 0, so you display 0. The same output should be displayed out. Whenever you find the first one, we are moving to new state. We are moving to new state and displaying 1. On this new state, this state is Q1. If you find 0, complement, you have to output 1. If you find 1, you have to output 0. We are complementing it. So this is going to display the 2's complement number. If you give the binary number, it will convert into a 2's complement number. So this is how this is one of the use of Mealy Machine. And coming to the definition, complete definition, a Mealy Machine represented using a 6 tuple. These are the 6 tuples. Q means finite set of states, Q0 means initial state, sigma means finite set of input symbols, O means finite set of output symbols which we are using, and the delta means transition function. This is the point, why an extra point different from Mealy Machine. Q on Q means you take any state, if you apply the input symbol, we are moving to some other state in the queue. This is what the transition function for input symbols. The same way, lambda means output function. On Q, if you apply the input symbol, we are displaying some output symbol. That's why we are taking O. This is how we represent the Mealy Machine. Hope you understand the concept of Mealy Machine. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.